Doesn't make sense now. Shit just got real, things are getting.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Ny'Ree, and we are back with another video. So as you can tell by the caption and the thumbnail, we are going to be talking about how to make your scents last all day. I mean all day, girl. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, press that subscribe button, and don't forget to press the bell next to the subscribe button so you don't miss another video from me. Number 1. This doesn't have anything to do with perfume, but this is a tip and a hack that I have. When you wash your clothes, make sure that you use a fabric softener or like the Unstopable. I use the Unstopable all the freaking time. Like when I wash my clothes and I use Unstopable and I put it in the dryer with some dryer sheets, my clothes smell so good, like so fresh. You smell so good. That right there in itself will give you the boost that you need to make your scents last all day and for you to smell good all day. I'm actually gonna link it down in the description box below, the Unstoppable fragrance that I use. One thing that I want to talk about is when you get in the shower, make sure that you use a scent that's kind of like, use a body wash, or if you do use a body wash that has perfume in it, just make sure that it is a scent that is the same as your perfume that you're about to wear. The same or similar. You don't want citrus smelling body wash and then you go to like a floral or a musky perfume. Like, don't do that. That's not good. And then prior to putting on your perfume, just make sure that you use a base. The base will help your perfume stick all day. I kid you not. I kid you not. These are the steps that I would take. I would go ahead and after I got out of the shower or out of the bathtub, I would definitely go ahead and put on Vaseline in areas where you wanted to spray. So typically I would say spray at the neck here, and you would spray behind your ears. You would do in the inside of your elbows, at your wrist, and then at the ankles of your feet. Now, y'all might think I'm absolutely crazy for saying at the ankles, but listen, when you're walking past somebody, your legs are moving. You moving like this. You are going to smell good, girl. You are going to smell great. Do you hear me? Put the lotion on that you're gonna use. And if the lotion is scented, like I said, just make sure that it's gonna be smelling like your perfume. So put on whatever lotion that smells like your perfume. And then after that, that's when you apply your perfume in those areas here behind your ears, in the middle of your elbows, and on your wrists, and at your ankles. And so you want to spray it in those areas where the Vaseline, and the reason why I say put the Vaseline on first, then put the lotion on, is giving it a base to stick to. Now your scented lotion is stuck on this Vaseline and your perfume is stuck on this Vaseline. You're about to be smelling good all freaking day. I kid you not. Like, if this don't work, give this video a thumbs down. But try it first. Don't just be giving my video a thumbs down. But if this don't work, give my video a thumbs down. If it does work for you, make sure you leave a comment down below. And I really want you to tell me if this actually works all day for you. Make sure that you are using perfume. Don't use a body mist. We're not doing body mist in 2021. We're not doing it. Just put on perfume. Invest in your scent, girl. I will actually list down below the kind of stuff that I would normally pair together, and I would just pretty much give you examples of what I would normally say that you would want to pair together. So say if you're going to be using like my favorite Burberry Blossom. Say if you're going to be using that perfume and you want to make sure this lasts all day. First of all, when you get in the shower or the bathtub, you are going to be using floral scents. You're going to be using a rose shower wash, or cherry blossom shower wash, something like that, and scrub, just to give yourself a similar scent. It doesn't have to be the Burberry kind of scent. Like, it doesn't have to be that. It has to be something similar to that. But like I said, I will link all my stuff down below that I normally would use as a combo, and then just give you an idea of what you would want to use. So yeah, that pretty much wraps up everything. If you guys have any questions, please don't be scared to comment. I talk back. I respond back really fast in comments. So if you have any questions, just leave them down in the comment section. Give this video a thumbs up, And don't forget to press that subscribe button and press the bell next to the subscribe button so you don't miss another video from me. And yeah, so I'll see you on my next video. Bye.